Welcome! In front of me I have POCO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and after you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you should see the option called the brightness. Once you find it, tap on it, and by default the auto adjust option will be enabled. And you want to disable this option because if you want to change the brightness manually, you'll need to turn it off. So tap on the switch, and once you turn it off, you will see the level option. You can tap on it, and here we have the list of brightness levels, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So select the one you like, and once you select the brightness level, tap on the check mark to confirm and apply it, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.